Hello and welcome to this month's edition of Amberton. This is the knob end section of the layout. As you can see, there's been a lot of changes. I'm not going to go with the goods shed and station as I suggested before. The reasons behind that, it wasn't workable. When you got the door open, there's a lot of wind and rain come in when when you do open the door, so it'll spoil any kind of scenic there. So what I've done, I've bent the back seam round, and behind the back seam is like 2 foot something, and I'll just use that as storage of some kind of description. It just stops the layout getting wet when you have to open the door, climb up, crawl underneath the baseboard and then shut the door behind you. If you tip it down the rain, then it's going to cause damage to the layout, as this way it doesn't, and I think that's a better way. Plus it reduces me spending too much time on scenery, because that's my big downfall with this layout, is that I'm spending far too much time on scenery, and I don't seem to be running any trains or anything because I'm preoccupied, as I say, doing the scenery. So what I've done here, I've put the level crossing in, the gates open and shut. It's something I've always wanted to model, is a level crossing. This is just a Scardale model. These two kits are wheels. I've built these myself. These from the Craftsman's range. I've still yet to finish them, put walls around the back and model them in better. The church I'm in two minds about, but I think it will. I've just got to re-roof it, so it looks like I'll have to get a fundraising event together to re-roof the church. But yeah, I think it might work. I'll put some kind of tunnel mouth there and slight embankment behind the church and down here, and then I'll just throw a load of trees in and add details that way to it. So if we just take a look, this is a fantastic little model. This is a Scardale cottage. These are the Wills kit houses. You have to cut all the windows out and put them all in and whatever. Haven't finished them yet, still lots to do. I've still got work on some others out at the back. That's the church. That's Hornby Church. I've just added a back section onto it. Quite not happy with the roof yet, so I want to redo that. It's actually off the old Amberton. But as I say, I'll put some kind of embankment up there, a tunnel porthole there, and then a slight embankment coming down towards the level crossing, which is here. And there's the little crossing hut at the back. So as we look down the main line, you can see I've added signals. These are the ratio kit signals. I haven't done too bad job on them. The one down there is a bracket signal to allow trains to cross the main line and go down to the right hand tunnel, and I've also fitted in So as you can see, I've also fitted in point rodding and little ground signals. Just took a long time to do. Obviously very fiddly. I had to cut out sections of the ballast and put the bars going through and whatever. So yeah, tried to. It's probably not accurate. I haven't finished it yet. I've still got bits and pieces to do to it. But on the whole, it enhances this scene. I feel. Again, there's two ratio signals here. Yeah, smaller signal, ground signals, and you can see the point rodding. This little track thing is now ballasted. I might have like a some kind of cassette system here, so I can put trains on and off the scenery, just to give a bit more variety to running. Got the old crappy jumper on, it's all not used for modelling. Basically the scene is now almost complete. There's just the figures and that to put in and other bits and pieces. But on the whole, I think that's about it. Right. These signals here are I purchased off eBay so a while ago. They featured on the older Amberton layout. I just put them here. They look quite good. These are built by a gentleman in France, and he don't seem to be able to get them now, so I've had to resort back to buying ratio signals. Right, just along here I've got some seafoam trees to go in front of here to add a bit more depth to it and thickness to the trees that are behind. Trees to go around where the church is and that. I think then that's the whole of the scenery on Amberton complete, and then I'm going to concentrate on running some trains. I'll just keep leaving it too long now to do anything about running trains, and messing around with the scenery. It's just too time consuming. I've got some trees to go on the top of the hillside there. I'm not going to have too many because it's supposed to look a bit barren, but just have a couple up there, some small ones. So I think that's it for this month. I'm not going to do any more videos now of the scenery. The next video I'll do will be trains running. All this section here will be complete, so I won't do another update now until it's all complete, and then you'll know it'll be a running session. So until then, it's bye from me.